Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix your internet connection seems unstable in GCash app. So if you are getting this error in GCash app, then here follow the fixes to solve this issue. Now before following any of the fixes, first check the GCash app server status. If you find that the server status is down, offline, having any outage or under maintenance, then wait for their server status to get back online, and then you can check back later and check if your problem is solved or not. Now if you find that the server status is online and still you are getting this error, then here follow the fixes. First of all, you can switch the internet. If you are connected to mobile data, then switch to Wi-Fi and then check if your problem is solved or not. If you are connected to Wi-Fi, then switch to mobile data and then check if your problem is fixed or not. If possible, then you can also connect to different mobile network via hotspot or different Wi-Fi network and then check if your problem is solved or not. If still your problem is not solved, then force stop the GCash app. So tap and hold the GCash app icon, then click on app info, then click on force stop and confirm it. Then go back and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then you have to clear the cache of the GCash app. So tap and hold GCash app icon, then click on app info, then click on storage usage and then click on clear cache and confirm it. Then go back and check if your problem is fixed or not. If not, then connect to a VPN. So open Play Store, tap on search for VPN and tap on it. Now you can install any VPN of your choice from the Play Store, such as NordVPN, Surfshark VPN, Octahide VPN, Proton VPN, BPass VPN. You can install any VPN of your choice from the Play Store and then launch the VPN app and connect to a different location than your current location, and then launch GCash app and check if your problem is solved or not. So I hope by following these fixes, you can easily solve GCash app problem. Your internet connection seems unstable. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.